Welcome back to Honda Garage, Idaho. In today's video, we're going to take a look at removing the interior door panel off of a Honda CRZ. Mine's a 2011, and I'm going to be demonstrating on the passenger side door, but this process should be the same for both doors on all years of the CRZ. Let's get started. Now, there's many reasons why you might want to remove your interior door panel, whether you're trying to access and replace the notorious door handles, removing your side mirror, replacing a speaker, or maybe the window motor. There's a lot to do in here, and in this video we're just going to cover removing the panel. It's going to be kind of a quick video to give you an easy idea of how simple it is to get into the door and access the other stuff you're trying to replace. To start off, we're going to remove this plastic panel right here next to the mirror. The interior of this panel features a metal clip as well as a small plastic tab there. We're going to pull the clip out on the top side and pivot this plastic away from the door before lifting it out so we don't break that little tab on the bottom. Similarly, we're going to remove this plastic panel on the back side of the door with a trim removal tool. We're going to start prying from the corner closest to the door handle. There's a single pop clip in here that will be removed. Then we're going to continue rotating this to release another small arm down here, as well as on the top side. So there's our little tabs on the top and the bottom that spin around the frame. So don't try and pull this straight out. Again, make sure you rotate it first so that those come free without breaking. Next up, we're going to use a small plastic pick tool to reach up here inside the interior door handle and pull down this small tab on the top side. Pulling the interior handle to the open position, we can slide this cover out, and we can see that there are two Phillips head screws inside that need to be removed. Looking down into this small pocket behind the window and lock controls, we're going to remove this little rubber base to reveal another screw. With that screw removed, we can now pry up this black plastic piece holding in our window controls. We're going to start on the side here and move to the back first. With those clips popped out, we can lift it up. There's another plastic mounting tab here, so again, make sure you're angling this up before you pull it out. Let's disconnect our wire harness by depressing the tab here on the connector and pulling backward to unplug it. With the window controls out of the way, we can see one more Phillips screw under here holding onto this bracket. Now it's time for the main event. Again, using a trim removal tool, we're going to start at the bottom of the door, right near the courtesy lamp, where there is a small gap here in the trim. We're going to start our tool there and begin prying the door panel away from the door frame. With all the plastic pins popped free around the edge, we can lift the door panel upward to slide it out of the window channel. Then the panel will move away from the door frame. Our handle we can twist sideways and insert through the cutout. We're also going to disconnect our courtesy light harness. The bulb socket itself can be twisted to remove from the housing. There's also a plastic clip here holding the harness to the door frame. With those tabs depressed inward, this will pop free of the door. Now our complete interior door panel is removed for whatever you need to do, either to the panel or to the door itself. Again, I hope this video showed how simple the process is to take that panel off. As you can see around the edge of the door, here are the green plastic pop clips. These simply press fit into the matching holes on the frame. To reinstall the doors, snap them all back into place, and reinstall everything in the reverse order I showed. And that's about all there is for this video. If you'd like to see a more in-depth tutorial on replacing or repairing something inside this door specifically, please do let me know. And until the next video, thank you for watching.